I've been really excited about the idea of 3D and the new kind of the re-emerging technology, I should say, of 3D coming back into the marketplace. I actually saw Robert Zemeckis' film Beowulf in 3D, and I was just so blown away by how immersive the picture was, and just what an incredible tool that was for visual storytelling. And so I was kind of playing around with the idea of doing something for the University of Mississippi in 3D. And at the end of last semester, we had a big meeting with university marketing, brand services, where we all got together and Jim just kind of asked, we need some ideas. What are some things that we can do that might drive the new brand that the university was going with, which was Experience Amazing. And so I went up to him after the meeting, and I said, our Department of Media and Documentary Projects produces the national spot, the commercial that they play during halftime of the football games and sporting events during the year. We produce that every year. And so I thought, why not this year? If we're going to shoot it anyways, why don't this year? Why don't we shoot it in 3D? That way that we can still send out the 2D version to be broadcast on television, but we'll have the opportunity to have a three-dimensional version of it that we can show, to our fans at the football game. The idea of 60,000 people putting on Ole Miss 3D glasses was something that just I thought sounded like a really cool thing to do. And I think Jim kind of got excited about that idea too, and then the ball started rolling. It was really rewarding just to know that we'd spent so much time and effort and trying to put this thing together and trying to give. Really, from the very beginning, we wanted to make something that was going to excite people, that people would enjoy, even if it wasn't in 3D, if it was just in 2D and they were watching it. But having it in 3D would just be the icing on the cake. So to sit there and to see all those people, all together, putting on their glasses and looking up at the screen and watching something that we created was just incredible. And I was really, really excited to be a part of it.